Imagine building an entire website, creating a mobile app, finding bugs in thousands of lines of code, all with the help of artificial intelligence. This isn't the future anymore. It's happening today. And one of the most powerful AI coding tools leading this revolution is Cursor AI. Cursor has quickly become a favorite among developers worldwide. Startups, software engineers, students, freelancers, and pros use it every day. So, what is Cursor AI? It's an AI-powered code editor that helps you write, understand, edit, and navigate code faster and smarter. Cursor integrates AI right into your coding workflow. No more switching tabs, endless documentation search, or tedious boilerplate code writing. Want to build a login page? Just describe it. AI generates initial code. You review, tweak, and test. AI speeds you up, it doesn't replace your skills. Debugging made easier. AI explains errors and suggests fixes. But remember, human testing is key. Nothing beats your eyes on the code. Handling big projects? AI helps summarize files, explain functions, and speed up onboarding by breaking down complex code bases. If you're a student, AI can explain concepts, offer examples, and help you understand why code works. But practice solo to truly master programming. Startups move fast. AI assistants cut down repetitive tasks, boosting productivity so teams can innovate and ship faster. Yet, quality checks stay critical. Freelancers juggle varied tech stacks. AI helps them understand frameworks quickly, draft starters, and improve docs. Still, experience shapes the final product. Common mistakes? Don't accept AI code blindly. Test everything. Never ignore security. And remember, AI won't replace you, it's your powerful coding partner. Imagine a future where you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time solving real problems. Where students learn with AI guidance, and startups build faster. Coding is more than syntax. It's problem solving, user understanding, system designing, and building reliable software. AI codes, you create solutions. The future belongs to developers who work with AI, not against it. Cursor AI is shaping that future. Learn it, practice it, but always master the fundamentals. Thanks for watching. If you want more AI tutorials, coding guides, programming tips, and future tech insights, hit subscribe and join the journey.